What's up, TRUBEES? So welcome back to another vlog. By the time you guys get this vlog, we will actually have been through New Year's, but happy New Year's to all you guys out there today, because as of today, it is now January 1st, 2020. So Ian, Oliver, and I are actually on our way. I forget what it's called. It's like Dunner Summit or something like that. I have to go back and check. But we're actually on our way there. We are going to be in the snow for a little bit. Ollie, come on, mama's vlogging. He's actually kind of freaking out because Ian is outside of the car. How dare he be outside of the car, you know? But anyways, so we're on our way there, and we're going to be just playing in the snow, getting some sleds and stuff, and then probably get lunch out there, and then we're gonna head back home. He was losing it.
I heard him. He was at the window.
I was just like, he's literally right here, and I'm still in the car. He's like, I don't care who you are. Why did he get out? But yeah, so we're getting ready to head over there, and we should be there in about another hour, and then after that, yeah, snow, yay. But yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of Ollie in case you didn't watch the last vlog, when I said that, you know, we got a new pup. So this is our little buddy. This is Oliver. Ollie. So yeah, he's adorable, but he is kind of a lot. We're gonna be in some training classes soon to, you know, get him together. But yeah, so we'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so we just got to the snow park. It's kind of rainy, but there's a ton of snow out, so we're gonna see if we can get some sledding in for a little bit, and then hopefully get some lunch. It's a little bit after, it's like 12:30, so we're hoping to be out here maybe until like 1 or a little after, and then get some lunch and then come back. So we'll see. I guess it all depends on how wet we get. Oliver! Getting like wrapped in it.
Eat it too.
Hey babe, you ready?
It's cold, but I'm ready. Just when you go, try to keep your feet like up.
We could do some.
Stop. Oh shoot, I can't.
So, babe, we never talked about what you wanted for New Year's and what your resolution was. What is?
I already got what I want. She is filming.
Ooh. Love you too, honey. Well, what do you want to accomplish this year? What's your top 2 goals? Don't say getting married. Oh, what's that? I'm sorry, say it again for the people in the back.
You with a niño.
So you're trying to get me pregnant next year, bud? What's the next goal? Number 2.
Save up for a house.
Oh yeah? We could do that. Yeah, good goal. So you want to build a snowman? How about now? Look at our snowman, guys. Aren't they gorgeous? This one is Bob. This is Nellie. Oliver just peed on Nellie. Guys, these aren't ours. We gave up after the first hump. Look at the attention to detail. I know. Whoever did this did a fantastic job. You ready? What up, Trubies? So we are actually on our way back home. It was probably hands down like the best New Year's that I think I've ever had. It was like snow everywhere, and it was a bunch of like tubing and snowmen and snow fights, and like Oliver losing his mind. Like, it was just really, really good. And so like now that we're heading back and just thinking on it, it's just like, yeah, it's a good spot. It's a spot where Ian and I were talking, and we were just like, yeah, like we definitely like want to come back here. After we're married, we'll probably like get a hotel and maybe like stay for the weekend or something, and just like spend a lot of time doing that. And then there's like a ski resort right next to us, and so we're thinking like we would go there and just like see some stuff there and just like have a really good time. So yeah, it was awesome. It's actually called Donner's, right? Yeah, it's called Donner's Summit. So if you're in the NorCal area, definitely check it out. It's so fun. It was like $5 or $10 for the all-day parking pass, and then everything else is free. It's kind of like you just make your own thing, bring your own tube or your sled or whatever, and just like do it that way. So yeah, it's gonna be a little more than 2 hours to get back home. We might stop for lunch because we actually thought we'd be hungrier than we are. We're really not too hungry, so We might actually just head home and then get food when we get there. It just kind of depends on what we're feeling like 2 hours from now. But I do want to show you guys really quick Oliver. He is soaked. He probably had the most fun out of all of us, huh? Yeah. Let me show you. I'm going to show you guys Ollie. Look at that face. This cutie patootie. He's extremely tired. He's over it. Oliver has pretty much said he's had enough. He's ready to chill. Oh, babe, he's gotten a lot of hair in your seat. I'll vacuum it out. But yeah, honey is tired. Hey guys, so I had every intention of showing you guys some more stuff, but honestly I took a nap and I just woke up and I'm super tired. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thanks you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So as you guys know, one of my goals is to be more consistent this year and to post on a weekly basis and to really just try to grow the channel, because I have been honestly just slacking this past year. So yeah, if you guys stick around, that's definitely something I'm going to be wanting to do, something that we're going to be doing with our little family here. So yeah, guys, thanks again for tuning in. As always, be true to you.